We are still in an age where businesses are not being run by creatures of logic, but by creatures of emotions. And the uphill task of managing them is being done by the HR function, the constant companion on the journey of resources called humans. From hire to retire. Well, at BatchMaster, we simplify things for the HR. All this while and beyond by providing an intuitive and simple to use HRMS tool. So, if you are an employee who feels empowered and informed at the workplace, or an HR manager who manages different HR processes, makes better hires, and retains talent all at fingertips, or the top executive who enjoys the control and visibility the company needs into the HR processes, think of us as a small contributor in bringing that human touch when dealing with these creatures of emotions. BatchMaster, simplifying businesses, touching lives. Simplifying businesses, touching lives.